What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, we're still stuck in a massive downtrend. Obviously, all altcoins right now pretty much are getting absolutely smashed down at the minute by Bitcoin, essentially just ranging to the side. And looking, there's a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt in the market right now. We can see quite clearly here that we are forming some very large bullish divergences for Vechain here and a lot of other cryptocurrencies, but obviously with the market being in such fear right now, we can see quite clearly what's going on. You can see we're stuck under, basically under that previous resistance that previous support flipped into resistance right now, aren't we? Just absolutely free falling right now with Vechain and its price, obviously losing a massive amount of value over the past few weeks. You can see basically the 10th of November, we got up to around that 18.7 cent mark. And then since then, Bitcoin's just been heading down with Vechain being heavily correlated to it. It has just been rolling over and over. And you can see quite clearly here that we are, essentially sitting at support right now. We've got some very, very big bullish divergences here on the hourly time frame as well. Probably be expecting a very, very nice bounce if this does go lower like this and then get that move to the upside, something like that. And you can actually see here, huge bullish divergence here. You can see this massive candle wick to the downside. If we come anywhere close to this, we're probably going to see a bounce very quickly because, the momentum to the downside is decreasing all the time, isn't it? And even though, things are super bearish in the market right now, it does look as though Vechain potentially, could just be forming an even bigger coiling pattern that we could be looking at, potentially something like this, where we do essentially just coil something like this if we come down and touch the bottom of this pattern, which we could see the bullish divergence come down. We get the lower low here, but then we get that massive spring to the upside back through our Fibonacci levels. If that was the case, we could see an extended period here where we just can keep coiling inside of a bigger pennant formation than the one that we actually did think that we were in here with the breakout and the back test. So these things are not off the table at all. We do think that the bounce is going to happen pretty soon. Obviously we do keep saying this, but things that have such huge bullish divergences as Bitcoin does right now cannot stay down forever. And if we do see a big sell-off, the more sell-offs that we do see, the more chance of a big bounce to the upside, simply because, these prices are getting more and more appealing for investors, and it does seem likely, in our opinion, that's probably going to come fairly soon. So as we said, if we do roll over here, we're looking to come down essentially, to our next fib level. If we lose this one, probably coming back down, in reality, back down to, where we pulled our fib originally, down towards that 5 cent level. Although we do have a swing low support here at around that 6 cent level as well. Obviously a psychological support. And if we're moving to the upside, as we said, we do want to see ourselves breaking this downtrend here at around 8.4 cents. Getting back up above that 10 cent mark is the first key level. And as we've said before, by the end of the bull market, we do imagine and anticipate Vechain heading up into that 50 cent to $1 range. Only a 2 to 4x of the all-time high, which is very, very achievable in our opinion. Obviously, this is a top quality project for the long term, actually getting real world use. And, even though it's not sexy or flashy right now and not really, in the spotlight, like, gaming, cryptos, metaverse stuff, etc., we do think Vechain's going to have its day in, the next 6 to 12 months. In our opinion, it's probably going to be heading up towards that $1 mark over that period of time. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.